Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the plugin. So plugin activities. So how we are doing, how we are going to make the plugin activities. Just let me see that. So that is the just you have to navigate the plugin in our navigation search. So that is the plugin. So you have to choose the system definition plugins. Just click on that one. So this is mainly helpful for activating of the some new applications with the demo data with the demo data. So that is the mainly helpful for that plugins. So that plugins are very important. Okay, while we are um, while we are taking to the new projects or any new applications has arrived by our client requirement. So that time let we choose the plugins. So this plugin is required, this application is required. That application is not taken by the ourselves in our real time. So that has taken by the number of approvals. So that approvals means account manager. So that account manager is there, especially account manager is there. So first let we inform to them, that is the account manager. So this application is required to for making the particular project. So then let they raise the one small okay letter, that means the some small approval by the account side. So that account manager has raised that application. So that is the plugin. Why? Because it's some economical base, that they pay the some amount for installing the particular application. So after that you should take that plugin, and yet we see that agile development. So when we are click on the system definition plugin and there is a search bar, just I am activating the agile process or agile development application. So agile development application, is it there or not? Let me check that. So this is the my new application is also installed in my instance. Okay, in our demo instance no need to take any permissions, directly to install that. But in our real time point of view, first you should get the permission from your team manager and at the same time account manager. So then only able to pay the amount, then only able to install the particular application. Okay, so that is the scenario is there in our real time point of view. Now demo instance point of view, no need to take the any permissions and directly to install the our required applications. So that is the install agile development. And you should also choose the this one, load demo data. So this is also important. Load demo data means, for example, when we are taking the incident application, so there is some existing data are there. So that existing data, by the help of that existing data, we should also get the some we should also some explore. Okay, we should also get the some data by the existing records. So that is the main helpful. Okay, that is also helping for the particular application. So load demo data is also checkbox is also enabled, and install it. So for installing the application, particular application, let they take the some time. Okay, after complete of the particular application, is it available in our navigation menu or not? Let you check. Okay, after the completion of particular installation. So this is the right now our real time projects all are maintaining the this one. So that means how you are getting the work. So most of the people are asking right now how you are getting the work. So that work is getting by the help of agile development application. Agile development. So agile development has given that. So that is the this story has allotted to you. That means the story has assigned to you. So just you should get the one small notification, and simply to open that particular notification and that story. So whatever the story is there, that story number and that details as given in that particular domain. So that is the development point of view stories, and the tickets point of view directly to see the in our incident. Okay, development point of view stories. Both the works are there. So that is the development and admin. So tickets point of view, that work has simply to reflecting in our incident application assigned to me. But development point of view, agile development application, when you are opening the agile development application, there are the some story records are there, and open the particular story record and which are belonging to you. So let you see that. Okay, then open the particular story record and simply to make that particular developments, okay, by the particular description, then close the particular story within the timeline. Just have a look. It takes to some time. Similar way, you should also explore the some of the modules in our service now. So that is the, if you want to learn the HRSD module, then HRSD is also having almost 5 to 6 plugins are required. So that is the 5 to 6 applications are, okay, installed. HRSD and CSM is there. CSM is also same. So 2 to 3 applications are there. So then uh, okay, so those applications are installed by the help of plugin activity. So then you should also exploring those things. So that is there. It means when the applications are only able to arrive in your particular instance, then only able to practice it. Integration also there. So now close this one. So now let you check that in our this one. So that is the, is this agile development is available in our agile. Maybe refresh this one. Just search that agile development. No, it's not reflected. Yes. So when you are taking the new tab, then only able to reflect that particular application. So that is the agile development application has arrived now. So in that, so our stories are there. Okay, just click on that stories. So this is the similar way. Let they assign it to you. So that is the for example, if you want to make some developments in the existing application or custom application, whatever it may be, so you should make this particular amendments. That means the stories. So actually we have given number of stories. Okay, but each story or number of stories, okay, or each story will be given as a one record. So this is the story is there, for example. So in that story what they do, so need access to the common drive. So that is the story main. Okay, so you need to make the access of the common drive. So this is the your work, need to access the common drive. So then you will also make the particular thing. So and in this also, and this work has allotted to the which department, that is the HR delivery team. And HR delivery team again assigning the particular thing, particular work to the assignee person. Okay, after the assignee, let they open their story and try to make the particular work. Okay, this is the way to assigning the stories. So how many stories you have, okay, how many you have completed. So this is related to the especially development things. So what you do, okay, so those all are the in our agile development application. Okay, so stories, mainly stories, and uh, these all are the, okay, some of the things are there, themes point of view. So this is the themes and epics. So that is the terminology is different. So in our stories already there, that is the, while we are opening the another story, so just open that. So epic means here, just let you observe that theme means what are the items, okay, what are the things are under the in our themes. Themes means improve the usability, enhance the performance, table stacks and new shiny things. Okay, whatever the simply to say that there are some configuration items are there in our incident. Here themes and epic, let they change the some name. Okay, so that is the things are available in this particular place. So is it belongs to the improve the usability, or is it belongs to performance, enhancing the performance for this particular story, or is it belongs to the table stakes and the new shiny things. So in which domain belongings to particular story. Okay, for doing the only development. Okay, so that is the, just let they give you that particular assignment, that particular things. And epics are there. So epics means here, so what are the epics are there, just HR knowledge management is there. So that is the epic point of view. So some of the things are there, that is the, is it belongs to HR related development, or is it related to CSM related, or is it belongs to case management, whatever the is the story is helpful for in which department, which application. So let them mention the in epic. This is the theme is mainly to do the in what are the things you do, so that is belongs to which purpose. It's simply to say that purpose base, and this is saying that whatever the things you do, so is it helpful for which department. Whatever the developments you do, so the developments are only helpful for the particular department, HR department, or incident application, or some ITOM department. Okay, so that is the some CSM department. So that is the in theme will indicates the purpose, and epic will indicates the which department is helpful to the particular development. Okay, particular story. So this is the user criteria, employees by hourly. Okay, this is the HRKM. Okay, HRKM, user criteria, employees by hourly. So HRKM means HR knowledge management. HR knowledge management is given that user criteria will apply that employees by hourly. Okay, so just you should make the particular work. Who? So that is the ServiceNow HR department will make the particular development, and assignee is not assigned right now. When the assignee has assigned, then let them make this particular thing. This is the one story development thing. Okay, so that is the benefit of agile development. In our earlier days, actually the stories has given by the way of one small PDF file or Excel file through your mails, but right now they are also allotted your work through this application, that is the agile development application, and stories. Simply to put some stories, you should make these amendments in our particular applications, and just simply to open that application, and the description as also given by the particular client. Okay, so by the help of that description and short description, simply to make the particular amendments or developments. So that is the your work has, okay, taken by the help of agile development. So that is there.